Okay, let's go head back to the butter bolete and uncover it, see if it's old. Seen some really big mushrooms today. Not a lot out yet, but when they're that big, that means they've been growing a while. They tend to be old. And probably came up from the rain before those past last couple days. All right, let's see if we can find it. Downhill perspective is a little different. It's here somewhere. Don't want to step on it. Let's be on the other side of this. Remember stepping over this log. There's some oh, right there. There it is. Well, that's a nice one. Yeah, pretty spongy. Not really prime pickings. So we're gonna leave it there, let it spore out. For next year and years to come. Haven't looked over here yet. A little steep, but we'll make it. Maybe not. Whew. Looks like a good spot. Smells amazing out here. Fresh after the rain. The wet leaves, dirt. It's over here. Beautiful. Beautiful territory.